Welcome to The Future Files, where we explore the trends and advancements shaping our future. In today's episode, we delve into the world of robotics and automation, examining their transformative impact on industries and the workforce. Join me as we uncover how these technologies are revolutionizing the way we work and navigate the changing landscape of employment. Segment 1. The Rise of Robotics and Automation. Robotics and automation technologies are rapidly advancing, and their applications span various industries. We explore the evolution of robotics, from industrial robots to collaborative robots, cobots, and the significant role they play in increasing efficiency, productivity, and precision across sectors. Segment 2. Automation in Manufacturing and Logistics. The manufacturing and logistics industries have witnessed a remarkable transformation due to automation. We investigate how robots and automated systems streamline production processes, optimize supply chains, and reduce costs. Discover real-life examples of robotic automation in action and the impact it has on productivity and competitiveness. Segment 3. Robotics in Healthcare and Medicine. Robotics is revolutionizing the healthcare sector, enhancing patient care and assisting medical professionals. We highlight the role of surgical robots in minimally invasive procedures, robotic exoskeletons for rehabilitation, and robotic assistance in patient care. Explore the potential of these technologies to improve healthcare outcomes and transform the medical landscape. Segment 4. Automation in Agriculture and Food Production. The agricultural and food production sectors are experiencing a technological revolution through robotics and automation. We uncover how robots are used in precision farming, crop monitoring, and harvesting, as well as automated systems in food processing and packaging. Learn how these advancements increase efficiency, reduce waste, and contribute to sustainable agriculture. Segment 5. The Impact on the Workforce. As robotics and automation become more prevalent, concerns arise about their impact on the workforce. We discuss the potential displacement of jobs and the need for upskilling and reskilling to adapt to a changing job market. Explore the concept of human-robot collaboration and the emergence of new roles that complement robotic technologies. Segment 6. Ethical Considerations and Future Implications. The rapid integration of robotics and automation brings ethical considerations. We delve into topics such as job displacement, data privacy, and the ethical use of autonomous systems. Understand the importance of responsible development and deployment of these technologies to ensure a balanced and equitable future. As we conclude our exploration of robotics and automation, we recognize their significant impact on industries and the workforce. While these technologies offer numerous benefits, it is crucial to navigate their implementation with a mindful approach. By embracing robotics and automation responsibly, we can create a future that maximizes human potential, enhances productivity, and ensures a thriving workforce. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening episode of The Future Files. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more engaging content on the future of science, technology, and innovation. Together, let us navigate the future with curiosity and foresight.